Hello. Okay. So a while back we talked about a sweepstakes, right? And one of my viewers gave me a very good idea. He said, make sure everything is confirmed and make sure it's very clear what's going to require. So I'm hoping to be able to start this sweepstakes starting next week, probably Tuesday. It's going to be live, so that means you have to be online and be able to participate. You have to be an active or a user of the site. You have to be a subscriber to the site because I want to be able to look and say, okay, they're a subscriber. They qualified for the sweepstakes. That is all that is required. No funds, no legally, no run around. All you have to do is be a subscriber, be active when the event is happening. You have 5. Okay, so this is what we're giving away. It's going to be a health watch. You also have to have an Amazon account. An active Amazon account, because this is how we're going to send this gift to you versus your Amazon account. So we're going to reach out to you, probably give you the email address or something. We're going to work out the details on how we're going to get it to you, but Amazon is going to be the way we're going to send it to you. It's going to protect both of us. I won't know your address, you won't know ours, and when you get sent it to it gets sent. Won't even say the price of the item. The item is just going to show up at your doorstep. Expect to see this transferred into your account as a gift between 3 to 7 days. Usually it's going to be within 1 to 2 days, but just in case there's something funky going on with Amazon and you don't see it in 3 days, you're like, oh, you saw panic. No, don't worry. Usually you'll see it within 1 to 3 days into your Amazon account, as long as 7. But usually it's going to be 1 to 3 days, because once we confirm the winner, there will not be no dispute on who's going to get it. Now, how do you win? We're going to have 5 questions. You're going to have 10 seconds to answer these questions, because we have to put it into consideration. People want to Google and find other ways to get the answer. The answers could be anything. The answer could be related to the site, related to the videos. It could be off-the-wall news. It could be animal behavior. You think it, we're probably going to come up with a question to ask you. So it's going to test a broad range of questions. No one's going to know what the questions and the answers are going to be prior to the contest. And at the end, we'll probably tell you what the answers are and who the winner is and what they expect. So if everything goes well, it's going to be scheduled for this Tuesday as a live event. Make sure you're there. I know because we have to look at the West Coast. I'm on the East Coast, so West Coast is 3 hours, usually 3 hours behind us. So I have to look at, maybe we'll do it around 9, maybe 10 in the evening. I'm hoping to do it around 9 because I don't want to do it too late, because you know, with the Eastern people up, late on the Tuesday, got to go to work, while the Western people got to kind of catch up to us. But if all goes well, it's scheduled for this Tuesday. This is going to be, it's a health watch. I'm going to say it again. Valued at anywhere between $40 to $60. You may or may not get this one. It depends on the availability of what Amazon has. This is one that I have. The health watch will be very beneficial for those who are trying to lose weight and trying to get their lifestyle back in check. If you don't want it, you can always gift it to someone else. Of course, like I said, this particular thing is going to be valued between 40 to 60. And I'll see you Thursday. I'm going to try to get this posted by tomorrow, so that you guys can prep for the event Tuesday. I'll keep you guys updated on this video if any time changes or if it's going to get rescheduled for the following week. But I'm really hoping to get it started this Tuesday, so that we can do it on a weekly basis. Next Tuesday we'll be well into the first week of December, and we go and get this party started. All right, guys? I'll talk to you later. Take care of yourself.